Hi buddies, welcome back. It's Anne-Sophie and today I'm going to show you how you can turn off the vibration and the haptic feedback on your Xiaomi 13 Lite. For that, you want to go to your settings and then go to sound and vibration, and here you have a few things you can, customize. You have first of all some basic adjustments you can make about the volume of your ringtone and stuff. And then we have here a vibrate for calls, vibrate in silent mode. We have haptic feedback, receive tactile response to gestures and system controls. You can disable this or customize the sensitivity of it. And then you can also go to sound effects. This is mostly about just earphones. You can go to additional settings here, and then you have also some other things you can set here, but they're mostly about the sound. So this is really what you want to look for, the vibrate and then the haptic feedback. To turn that off, sometimes it can be really annoying, and also the little vibration every time you touch a button will drain your battery a lot faster. So that's how you can disable the vibration and the haptic feedback on your Xiaomi 13 Lite. Hope you liked it, hope it helped. If so, thumbs up, share and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.